Did you know that all over the world there are places where science seems to have failed? There are places where even the experts are left scratching their heads in confusion. And it's not just because we haven't discovered them yet. No, sometimes these scientific anomalies have been studied extensively, yet nobody can explain them. Take, for example, the Pyramids of Giza. The three pyramids at Giza were built around 4,500 years ago, and they remain one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world. We don't know exactly how they were built, but somehow the ancient Egyptians managed to construct these gigantic structures out of millions of stone blocks, each weighing several tons. The largest of the three pyramids is the Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu. It stands 146.5 meters tall and covers an area of 53 acres. The precision with which it was built is mind-boggling. All four sides of the pyramid match up almost perfectly with the cardinal points of the compass, with the difference being less than 3 degrees. This level of accuracy is truly remarkable, considering that the ancient Egyptians did not have any advanced tools or technology. But the most amazing thing about the pyramid is its weight. The Great Pyramid of Giza is made up of approximately 2 million stone blocks, with each block weighing between 5 and 8 tons. In total, the pyramid weighs approximately 5,750,000 tons. To put this into perspective, the entire structure weighs more than 10 billion pounds, which is equivalent to the weight of 10 million African elephants. Despite its enormous size and weight, the pyramid is incredibly stable. Even after 4,500 years, it shows no signs of collapsing. But how did the ancient Egyptians manage to build such a massive structure without modern tools or technology? Well, that's what makes the pyramids such a great mystery. There are many theories out there, but unfortunately, none of them make much sense. One popular theory is that the pyramids were built by slaves, but this is highly unlikely. There is no evidence that the ancient Egyptians kept slaves, and it's highly unlikely that they would have been able to build such a massive structure without some form of advanced technology. Another popular theory is that the pyramids were built by aliens, but again, there is no evidence to support this claim. In fact, it's highly unlikely that aliens would have visited Earth 4,500 years ago. Besides, if they did visit Earth, why would they only build pyramids? They would have likely built other structures as well, but we don't see any evidence of that. The truth is, we simply don't know how the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids. But one thing is certain, it was a monumental achievement that has baffled scientists for centuries. The ancient Egyptians were indeed a highly advanced civilization that had mastered many aspects of science and engineering. They developed a sophisticated system of mathematics and astronomy, and they built many other impressive structures besides the pyramids, such as the Sphinx and the temples of Luxor and Karnak. However, despite all of their advancements, they were still living in a pre-industrial society. They didn't have any motorized vehicles or machines to help them build their structures. Everything had to be done by hand, which makes the pyramids even more impressive. Today, the Pyramids of Giza are one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Millions of people from all over the globe come to see these amazing structures and try to piece together the mystery of how they were built. While we may never know exactly how the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids, we can marvel at their ingenuity and appreciate the fact that these structures have survived for so long.